Focused on food security for Brazil and the world, Potássio do Brasil presents the Autazes Potash Project, which will produce potassium chloride fertilizer essential to meet the fertilizer requirements of Brazilian agribusiness to produce food for the world. The Autazes Potash Project is being developed in the Autazes County, traditionally known as an agricultural producing region, and located about 120 kilometers from Manaus, in the Amazonas region of Brazil. Potássio do Brasil developed its mineral exploration campaign exclusively in pasture areas in this region. For the mineral exploration phase, approximately $230 million have been invested. The money has been used to fund drilling campaigns, seismic surveys, environmental studies, engineering studies, and property acquisitions. These studies have identified and defined a mineable mineral reserve of more than 170 million tons of potassium chloride, constituted by underground potash layer with dimensions of approximately 13 kilometers in length, 10 kilometers in width, and with an average mineable thickness of 2.5 meters, located at a depth of about 800 meters. The main objective of Potássio do Brasil in Autazes is to create a fully sustainable mining project, which is committed to the local community. Large investments in socio-environmental programs and the most advanced production technologies are planned to achieve these goals of bringing sustainable engineering methods of mining to the Amazon region. The Autazes Potash Project is currently in the environmental licensing phase and will consider the following items to reach the full potash production capacity. The construction of 2 shafts to access the underground mine. A river port to support all logistics, which will be constructed on the left bank of the Madeira River, close to the Urucurituba village. An underground mine that will operate using long pillar methodology. A mineral processing plant, which will have a processing capacity of around 8.5 million tons runoff mining per year and produce 2.2 million tons of potash per year. The processing plant will use proven technology consisting of the following operations: ore receiving, crushing, hot leaching, crystallization, drying, and compaction of potash. The processing plant will be built in areas traditionally occupied by pasture land used for raising cattle in the region. As a result, there will be no need to suppress native vegetation to the tropical rainforest. Several environmental studies have been carried out by specialized consultants to confirm this. The existing access road, which will be revitalized and paved, will allow trucks to transport granulated potash from the processing plant to the port in Urucurituba village on the bank of the Madeira River. The project will also include the construction of approximately 160 kilometers of transmission power line, which will benefit more than 100,000 people residing in municipalities located on the right bank of the Amazon River. The project's premise is to mitigate any negative impact as possible and focuses on enhancing the positive impacts of the project, promoting improvements for the following sectors: education, health, security, sanitation, housing, among other benefits for the communities from the surroundings of the project. Autazes Potash Project, the most efficient and impactful solution for Brazilian agribusiness.